टेक लर्नर्स, ये मेरा दूसरा वीडियो है फॉर BCA स्टूडेंट्स एंड एस्पिरेंट्स। पहले वीडियो में मैंने बात की थी BCA के बाद जॉब ऑप्शंस एंड करियर्स की। गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर एंड प्राइवेट सेक्टर में आप कौन कौन सी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं आफ्टर डूइंग द BCA कोर्स। आज की वीडियो में हम आपसे बात करेंगे कि आप कौन कौन से कोर्सेज कर सकते हैं आफ्टर BCA। जी हाँ, मास्टर डिग्री के कोर्सेज जिनसे आप अपने प्रोफेशन को और अच्छा और स्ट्रॉन्ग बना सकते हैं। तो चलिए बात करते हैं कि कौन कौन से कोर्सेज को हम कर सकते हैं आफ्टर BCA के। मेरी एडवाइस हमेशा ये रहती है कि BCA करने के बाद आप जॉब की तरफ भागने की बजाय पहले अपनी एजुकेशन को कंप्लीट करें। कंप्लीट करने का मतलब है कम से कम मास्टर्स डिग्री को ज़रूर अप्लाई करें, क्योंकि मास्टर डिग्री करने से आपको एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस प्रोफेशनल करियर में मिलता है। आपको मास्टर डिग्री करने के बाद अपने करियर में सस्टेनेबिलिटी मिलेगी और आप एक अच्छा कंपटीशन दे पाएंगे अपने कॉम्पिटिटर्स को। तो चलिए बात करते हैं कुछ मास्टर्स डिग्री की। टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो यू विल लर्न master degree courses that are available after BCA degree, what you will learn in each such courses and what skills you acquire. We will talk about syllabus of these courses and the main subjects involved. Then we will talk about some institutes that offer these master degree courses, and in the end I'll tell you some important tips that will give an upper edge to your professional career. Let me start with the higher studies options after BCA. The most common, popular and advisable option after BCA is MCA, Master in Computer Application. MCA prepares the professionals to meet the complex demands of the IT industry. It emphasizes on planning, designing and building the complex commercial softwares and systems. MCA 2 या फिर 3 साल का कोर्स होता है। अगर आप लेटरल एंट्री करेंगे तो ये 2 साल का रहेगा। MCA में कुछ मेजर सब्जेक्ट्स जो हम स्टडी करते हैं वो कुछ इस तरह से हैं। कुछ मेजर थ्योरेटिकल कंसेप्ट पे बेस्ड जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो हैं ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क एंड सिक्योरिटी, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, वायरलेस नेटवर्क्स, एडवांस डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, सॉफ्टवेयर fundamentals, web technologies, database administration, data algorithms, and other technological subjects. In MCA, we also have some elective subjects and some seminar and a project. तो ये elective subject, seminar and project हमारे MCA कोर्स को complement करते हैं and हमें तैयार करते हैं professional needs के लिए. After MCA, you have many careers to choose from. Some of these are software developer, software analyst, software tester, network engineer, database administrator, software programmer, quality assurance engineer, app development, web developer, project manager, and many more. In India, there are many universities and colleges जो MCA कोर्स को ऑफर करते हैं। To name a few, BHU, JNU, NIT, Birla Institute, Banasali and many more. अगर आप MCA के टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट्स के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो मेरा दूसरा वीडियो देखिएगा जो मैंने बनाया है फॉर दी टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट्स दैट ऑफर MCA के लिए। And also watch my other video that is based on all entrance examinations for the MCA, in which I have talked about top MCA entrance examinations in India. I have given the link of both the videos in the description. The next option after BCA is MIM, Master in Information Management. MIM prepares the professionals in leading the department of IT in the organization. It aims to develop skills like handling user needs, develop new technology, maintain information assets, and many more. In MIM, the major subjects जो हमें पढ़ाए जाते हैं वो हैं accounting, cost management, organizational behavior, marketing management, research methodology, management information system, web-based technologies, database administration, network engineering, e-business, information technology, business strategy, and some other skills that lead to business development. अगर हम करियर की बात करें तो MIM के बाद आप बन सकते हैं सिस्टम एनालिस्ट, नेटवर्क इंजीनियर, MIS डायरेक्टर, वीडियो गेम डिज़ाइनर, मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट, IT consultant, chief information officer. Some institutes that offer MIM are University of Mumbai, Thakur Institute of Management Studies, ITM Bangalore, Maharishi Institute of Management, New Delhi, Jamna Lal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai. Next master degree course is MCM, Master in Computer Management. MCM is a 2-year duration course and it is a combination of computer skills plus managerial skills. It will develop skills like computer applications, marketing management, financial management, and operational management. Some of the subjects that we study in MCM are operating system, principles of management, web designing, ERP, accounting, research methodology, software designing, quality control, cyber law, programming and technology. After MCM, you can choose professions such as computer system analyst, IT analyst, database administrator, computer consultant, etc. Institutes in India that offer MCM are Arihant School of Business Studies, Lovely Professional University, Amity University, ASM College, IBS International College. Next is PG PCS, Postgraduate Program in Corporate Studies. It is a 2-year management study course to develop skills like marketing, financial operations, information management to deal with the corporate world. In PGPS, the major subjects we study are management, accounting, economics, international business, information technology, organizational behavior, foreign language, research methodology, corporate management, and project management. After PGPCS, you can make career in business studies, marketing, finance operations, information technology, and in corporate work. International School of Corporate Management and Lovely Professional Universities are few institutes that offer PGPCS. Next course you can do after BCA is Information Security Management or a course on cyber security. It is well-demand course these days, and those with the bent of network security and ethical hacking prefer to do this course. This course allows us to study about security technology, policies, risk management and evaluation of the security. Some major subjects that we study in ISM are information security, data leak, attacks, threats and risks, database security, network security, ethical hacking, and cryptography. Some institutes that offer ISM or cybersecurity course are University of Pune, University of Mysore, IIT Dhanbad that provides you MSc in cybersecurity, NIT, Symbiosis Institute of Computer Security and Research, Pune, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, Mumbai. After course in Information Security Management or Cybersecurity, you have a bright career as Chief Information Security Officer, Security Architect, Security Director, Information Security Analyst, Network Security Engineer. Next course that you can do after BCA is MBA, Masters in Business Administration. If you are not comfortable with core technologies and have a bent towards management, then you can opt for the MBA with IT specialization after BCA. एक BCA ग्रेजुएट किसी भी स्पेशलाइजेशन में MBA कर सकता है, लेकिन मेरी एडवाइस हमेशा ये रहेगी कि अगर आप MBA करें तो IT स्पेशलाइजेशन के साथ ही करें, सो दैट आप एक सेफ करियर ऑप्शन चूज कर सकें. In MBA with IT specialization, you study subjects like Principles of Management, Business Communication, Computer Application, Marketing Management, HR, Database Management Systems, Computer Networks, IT System Management, IT Technology, and E-commerce Management. After doing MBA with IT specialization, you can be Business IT Head, IT Governance, IT Financial Manager, IT Service Manager, Chief Technology Officer, IT Manager, or IT Director. Some of the top institutes that offer MBA in IT are IIMs, XLRI, IFT, Symbiosis. The other options after BCA are MSc IT or MSc in Computer Science. These courses are offered by almost all universities and colleges. Now the time for some important tips. Tip number 1. Learn a new technology in each semester. अगर आप अपने कोर्स के साथ हर सेमेस्टर में एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी को स्टडी करें तो आपका कोर्स ख़त्म होने तक आपके पास अ बंच ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज तैयार हो जाएंगे. दिस विल गिव यू अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस in your professional career and even in your interviews also. Make a target and learn one new technology in each your semester. Tip number 2. Learn some social media skills. In the modern era, it is very important to have a strong presence on social media. So being a technical student, you must learn some social media skills. Make yourself present strongly on social media and help others professionally. Tip number 3. Start early preparing for your MCA entrance examinations. जैसा मैंने आपको एडवाइस किया था कि अगर आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब और प्राइवेट जॉब के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं अपने BCA के बाद, तो आपको अपने फाइनल सेमेस्टर के लिए वेट नहीं करना चाहिए. आपको अर्ली प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए. सिमिलरली अगर आप एक टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट में MCA करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए आपको एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन को बीट करना पड़ेगा. ये भी कोई आसान काम नहीं है, ये भी एक टफ टास्क है. इसके लिए भी आपको अर्ली प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए. Don't wait for the last semester and try if you can start in your first semester. In the end, with the hope that the video is helpful for you, do not forget to share the video. Also watch my other videos on job options after BCA and how to write a good resume. I have given the link in the description. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos on career and growth.